So for a lot of my DIY gardening needs and my home gardening needs, I like to shop at Ace Hardware. They're a really trusted source because their plants come from really good growers, reputable growers, and they keep their stock rotated because they have their eye on quality all the time. The same is true for their plants, whether the brand is, Farm Fresh Herb or a Monrovia grower. Ace always has the best source on the best organic plants for your DIY garden, whether it's large or small. Ace always has the best specimens, in my opinion. As far as retailers go, they always have the best selection as well. Another huge reason that I really love Ace for all of my plant buying needs is there's a lot of care with the staff and with the garden department at Ace Hardware. They have a lot of people on staff that are themselves professional gardeners that can answer your questions, and it's also obvious to me in store that they take really, really good care of their inventory. They really clear the way for the best, freshest, and most organic options available, and they're always fully stocked. I would recommend to anyone getting started to go there because you can really trust that they are going to really take care of and provide you with the best possible plants. Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.